Hey, welcome back to the weekly dance tutorial. I'm Ken, that's Bree. And today we're gonna learn how to do a chest pop. And this is actually a very simple thing to do, but what's not simple about it is making it look good.
Oh.
You wanna know how to make it look good?
How? Because I don't look
I'll
good.
tell you in a bit once I teach you how to do the actual move, and then I'm gonna tell you how to make it look good. You ready?
Okay, ready.
I'm gonna show you from the side first. So what you wanna do is you want to pull your shoulders back as far as you can, okay? And then you're gonna want to stick your rib cage out, but also at the same time, lean back. Just a little bit, not like that, but just like a little bit, okay? And you want to squeeze these muscles right here. Squeeze. And that's what it ends up looking like. See, my rib cage is right here. I'm pulling it out while pulling my shoulders back and squeezing the middle of my back. And it really helps if you know how to do a pull-up. That's pretty much what you're doing. You want to squeeze your back muscles, right? You're contracting that to make like a little cave back here. Okay, and another thing you can do also is kind of go out and up, because you want to project, because this is just me going out, but this is me going out and up. It makes it look bigger, but that's if you want it to look big. Sometimes you could just do a small chest pop and just go like, and then you just go like this, like that.
I was trying to bump chest with you.
She bumped her chest. So that's a chest pop, and the way you actually make it pop is the speed of how you do that. You can either just go boom and keep it out, or you can go boom, boom, and put it back. That one's gonna create more of the popping motion if you just go pop. And all I'm doing is I'm popping it, putting it back, like that. Okay, I'm gonna do it to the front so you can kind of see what it looks like, okay? So, jacket, like that. So,
Oh wait,
pop,
I messed up.
like
Do
that.
it again?
So, almost. So one more time. So, pop. The other one is the one where you just stick it out. So,
Stick it all up.
so, okay. So that's the chest pop.
Oh, I messed up again.
I'm gonna do a couple more times just
Okay,
so you
good.
can get more examples. Okay. So small chest pop, big chest pop.
And then,
Okay. So
And then what's the big one?
it's just the one where you go out and up.
Out and up.
Like up in terms of like your chest, so not your whole body, but here, and I'm kind of tilting it back and pulling my shoulders as far back as I can. Exactly. Now, how do you make your chest pop look cool? You want to know how? I'll tell you. So if you notice the whole jacket thing, if you have a jacket, it makes it look bigger if you're pulling your jacket out as you're popping your chest. Because if I had like this and I did the chest pop, you kind of see it, right? But what if you did it like this and you went like, I did the same chest pop, but when you pull your jacket out, it shows more of your chest, so it looks bigger. So another way to make it look bigger is the way you start it. Okay, and what I mean by that is instead of starting just like this and then just going into it, if you notice before I do the chest pop, I kind of lean back a little bit. So I'm taking away my chest, right? I'm sinking it in and making it disappear, and I'm prepping it. So you want to prep it so that it can go from small to big, right? Instead of just starting at the normal position and just going from here, you want to lean back just a little bit, prep it, and then boom. Okay, that's the second tip. The third tip, you could use your hands to kind of portray like your chest. What I mean by that is if you put your hands here, right? Notice the whole time I had my hands here, because if you go in and you go out and you open up your hands a little bit, it kind of adds to the effect. So no hands, hands. See, it looks bigger, but really I'm doing the same motion with my hands. to make it look like it's extending further than it actually is. So it's really just an illusion. But if you really want your chest to go big, you definitely want to practice the bending your back and arching it, pulling your shoulders back. You really want to just stretch this out so that you can become more flexible right here. Let's do a few chest pops just for fun. Here we go. Yeah, see, she could do it pretty well. But yeah, that's
how I do
chest pops. Okay, remember, you can do them slow or you can do them fast. You can do them big or small. And then sometimes you don't even have to use your hands. So there's totally like a bunch of different ways to do it. Just pick the way that you like to do it and practice those different motions of going in and out and the prep. Okay, that's chest pops. See you next time. Peace.